Okay, now you need to adjust the messages according to your selected rows and columns. Okay, for that go to your block diagram. Now add some delay in your while loop. Let's say 500 millisecond is enough. Alright, now you need to clear your previous message. For that you'll need a clear function vi. Okay, but if you go to your LCD library you will not get any clear function. Okay, for that you'll need to add the clear vi from externally. So here's my LCD clear vi. Okay, so just place it here. Now delete this row and sorry. Okay, just connect your Arduino resource and error out. Alright, so that's it. Now go to your front panel. Here's the front panel. Now connect your Arduino board. Okay, now search for your COM port, COM3. Alright, now hit run. Okay, so here it is my previous message, hello NFI. So even you can adjust its rows and columns. Okay, now suppose if you want to change the message and want to erase the previous message, so that's why I've used this clear function. Okay, so let's display a cache. Okay, so that's it. Now I can also adjust my column and my rows also. Sorry, row 1, column 3. That's it. So that's how you can manage your message according to yourself. Okay, now let's write two messages in our LCD screen. First message in our first row and second message in second row. Okay, so go to your block diagram. Now we don't need this function. Okay, and this delay also. Alright, just copy and paste your cursor and your Arduino print. Alright, and delete these terminals. Okay, now just place your Arduino cursor and Arduino print and connect your Arduino resource and error out. Okay, alright, now rows and columns will not be decided by the users. Okay, now it will be predefined, that is 0 column and first row, that means 0th row. Okay, now 0 column and second row, which means first row 1. Alright, now here you need to write the message. So message 2. Okay, and your message type is string. Okay, so let's create a constant string. Okay, now go to your front panel. Here's my front panel. Let's increase its size 24. Sorry, let's increase its size 24 and change its color to blue. Okay, that is my message 2. Okay, now connect your Arduino board. Here's my Arduino board connected. Find your COM port, COM3. Now write your message, hello NFI, message 2, hello India. Okay, now hit run. Okay, so here you can see two messages. Okay, now let's do our next exercise.